Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning data manipulation with pandas. Data manipulation is one of the most important tasks in data analysis, and Python provides powerful tools to handle and analyze data efficiently. In this class, we focus on pandas, the most widely used Python library for data analysis, along with NumPy, which provides support for numerical computations. By the end of this class, you will be able to understand the basics of pandas and NumPy, work with series and data frames, filter, sort, and aggregate data, transform datasets using merging, joining, and reshaping techniques. Introduction to Pandas and NumPy. What is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library that provides data structures and functions for efficiently handling structured data. It is widely used for reading and writing datasets, CSV, Excel, JSON, SQL, etc. Cleaning and transforming data. Performing statistical analysis. Data visualization, with Matplotlib and Seaborn. Installing pandas. Pip install pandas. Importing pandas. Import pandas as PD. What is NumPy? NumPy, numerical Python, is a library that provides fast mathematical operations on arrays. While pandas is used for handling structured data, NumPy is useful for performing numerical calculations. Installing NumPy. Pip install NumPy. Importing NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. Data frames and series. What is a pandas series? A series is a one-dimensional labeled array in pandas. It is similar to a column in an Excel spreadsheet or a list in Python. Creating a pandas series. Import pandas as PD. Data equals 10, 20, 30, 40. Series equals PD series, data. Print, series. Output. 0, 10. 1, 20. 2, 30. 340. Type, int 64. Each value in the series is assigned an index, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. What is a pandas data frame? A data frame is a two-dimensional table, rows and columns, similar to an Excel sheet or an SQL table. Creating a pandas data frame. Data equals name Alice, Bob, Charlie. Age 25, 30, 35. Salary 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. df equals PD data frame, data. Print, df. Output. Name age salary. 0 Alice 25 50,000. 1 Bob 30 60,000. 2 Charlie 35 70,000. Key features of data frames. Each column is a pandas series. Supports indexing and selection. Can import-export data from multiple formats, CSV, Excel, SQL, JSON, etc. Filtering, sorting, and aggregating data. Filtering data in pandas. Filtering allows us to select specific rows based on conditions. Example, filtering employees with salary greater than 55,000. High_salary equals df, salary, greater than 55,000. Print, high_salary. Output. Name age salary. 1 Bob 30 60,000. 2 Charlie 35 70,000. Sorting data in pandas. Sorting helps in arranging data in ascending or descending order. Sorting by salary, ascending order. df_sorted equals df.sort_values, by equals salary, ascending equals true. Print, df_sorted. Output. Name age salary. 0 Alice 25 50,000. 1 Bob 30 60,000. 2 Charlie 35 70,000. Aggregating data in pandas. Aggregation functions are used to perform calculations on grouped data. Common aggregation functions. Sum adds up values. Mean finds the average. Count counts the number of values. Max finds the maximum value. Min finds the minimum value. Example, calculating the average salary. Average_salary equals df salary dot mean. Print average_salary. Output 60,000.0. Data transformation, merging, joining, and reshaping data. Merging data frames. Merging combines two datasets based on a common column. Example, merging employee and department data frames. df1 equals PD DataFrame, ID 1, 2, 3, name Alice, Bob, Charlie. df2 equals PD DataFrame, ID 1, 2, 3, department, HR, IT, finance. Merged_df equals PD merge, df1, df2, on equals ID. Print, merged_df. Output. ID name department. 01 Alice HR. 12 Bob IT. 23 Charlie Finance. Joining data frames. Joins are used to combine data based on keys, similar to SQL joins, inner, left, right, full. Example, left join. df1.merge df2 on equals ID, how equals left. Reshaping data frames. Pandas allows us to reshape data using functions like pivot, melt, and stack. Example, pivoting data. df.pivot, index equals ID, columns equals name, values equals salary. Conclusion. This class covers the foundational skills of Pandas for data manipulation. We have learned Introduction to Pandas and NumPy. Working with data frames and series. Filtering, sorting, and aggregating data. Transforming data using merging, joining, and reshaping. Mastering these techniques is essential for real-world data analysis. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.